take a look at these 2 reaction videos I posted recently. They both have something in common: K-pop. But it's not just that makes them special. They also done exceedingly well, many views, many likes, and also watch time has soared as well as subscriber gains. But there's a single reason why that happened, and the YouTube algorithm plays a huge role in it. Before we get started though, we should probably understand how the YouTube algorithm works. Now I promise I'll keep this quick and simple because I know you didn't come here to watch a video about the YouTube algorithm and how the science behind it. Anyways, without getting too complex into computer sciences, the YouTube algorithm in its simplest is a machine learning neural network. Essentially, you put information in by clicking on this video like this one, and that feeds into the algorithm and says, hey, you like this video, so based on this recommendation, how about recommend you more of this genre? By clicking on the video, you are training the neural network to know what your preferences are. And the more you watch, the more accurate it becomes. So, let's talk about the YouTube algorithm. Recently, I've noticed that even large-scale creators like Mark Rober are constantly changing the titles of their videos. Why? Well, to beat the YouTube algorithm. And the sad part is, though, even if they did not do that, their video probably wouldn't be as recommended as much as they would like it to be. You might also notice that a lot of large educational creators as well are now having to rely more on clickbaity thumbnails to beat the algorithm, as it only recommends relevant things and not all of its content. Now, this could be just my opinion or my perception, but I just thought it was quite interesting that I noticed this. Now, this also has some positive effects, but for anyone who wants to upload content other than the mainstream reaction videos and content like that, you'll find that you have low impression rates, and that correlates right to your views. And most of those 1,000 subs, or how to get your first 1,000 sub videos, neglect to tell you this fact. Sure, you can keep working hard, and after time, once you build up a good reputation, you will get more discovery. But right now, especially, it's extremely hard to get any views in this day and age with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Sharing is really important, especially for small creators like me. So please share this video. Also, consider supporting me on Patreon. You can also check out our podcast on iTunes. So all these links will be down in the description below. As always, I do upload weekly, so you can always be here. Hit the notifications bell. You'll see all my when I new post. You can be the first to comment or whatever. And well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. And thank you for all my subscribers who have already been there supporting me throughout this journey. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.